What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and checking it out. So today I have a midweek cleaning video for you guys. So it's not a deep clean like I would do on the weekends. Usually if I have time, it is more of like a midweek spot clean of my house. So mainly the parts of my house that need a cleaning every day, like the bathrooms. And if you have little boys, then let me just tell you, you just know how it is with those bathrooms. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get a little cleaning motivation going on. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Also remember to follow me on Instagram at honestboymom, and let's get into this video.